you're new to West Coast Swing and you need to learn the basic patterns as a beginner, you're in the right place. My name is Brian B from West Coast Swing Online, and in this video, we're going to show you the basic patterns that you need so you can be dancing in like 5 minutes. Welcome to West Coast Swing Online. My name is Brian B.
I'm Miss Megan.
Let's start with our basic patterns. So leader's footwork is going to start with the left foot, followers with the right. The basic rhythm is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We also count it in walks and triples. Walk, walk, triple step, and if you like quicks and slows, you can count slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And for the entirety of the video, we're going to use that timing. The first move we're going to learn is what's called the sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. You'll also hear this called the push break, and here's how we're going to do it. We're just going to take an underhand grip. I'm going to walk back for 2 small steps. Walk, walk. I'm going to do a triple step. 3 and forward, and then a triple step in place with numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And Megan's going to walk
forward, forward, together, together, back, triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
And to lead this real simple, I'm going to take an underhand grip, in this case with 2 hands. I don't pull Megan, I just walk back, 1, 2, she closes to me, triple 3 and 4, she goes away to the same position, 5 and 6. We call this our anchor step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We call this an anchor step. The last triple where I'm going to hook the right foot behind the left, and that's going to be the starting position of every pattern that you're going to do in West Coast. The second pattern is called the left side pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, or walk, walk, triple step, triple step. As you can see, Megan has these train tracks where she's going to go up and down. And it's my job to get out of Megan's way and then get back on the track. Leaders, to lead this, I get out of my slot, 1, 2. I keep the hand moving down for 3 and 4. I step back into that slot, 5 and 6. We also call that our anchor step. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. For the followers,
we're walking forward, forward, side, cross, back, triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
And leaders, this is my sugar push where I send her back forward. I think of this as like my sugar push too. Back, back, together, together, forward, triple in place. Back, back, together, together, forward, triple in place. That is our left side pass. If we have a left side pass, we also must have an underarm turn, also called the right side pass. That's where Megan's going to pass to my right side. Leaders, I'm going to step out of the slot this way for my 1, 2. 1, 2. Megan's going to pass on the 3 and 4. I step back in, anchor step, or 5 and 6 on this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So leaders, to lead this, I just need to flip this up so I can look at my watch. 1, 2. If I can look at my watch, Megan will slide underneath. Triple step. And good news for the followers with the footwork.
It's the same footwork as your left side pass. Forward, forward, side, cross, back, and triple step.
Cool. That's 3 of your basic patterns. Our fourth one is a lot like our sugar push. So for the leaders, it's the same footwork. We call this a sugar tuck because I'm going to tuck Megan away. And then my hand's going to end up on top. I'll fix it. Megan's going to talk about the footwork for the followers.
Followers, you have half of your sugar push. So forward, forward, together, together. You are going to step away instead of back. And then you're going to go around for your triple step.
You can fix that hand. Practice again.
Forward, forward, together, together, away, and triple around.
So leaders, this hand is going to end up on top. And this is going to create a natural right side pass. So the combo that you can practice, this is good as a beginner. You do this sugar tuck, hand ends up on top, pull it over her head for a right side pass, and that's pattern number 4. Remember our left side pass? We're going to use a tuck, kind of combining 2 patterns to tuck Megan for what we call a passing tuck. So the leader's footwork for this, just like the left side pass, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I step in, 5, and 6. The only thing I need to do is what happens with this hand, where I'm going to tuck it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have to go overhead, 5, and 6. Followers have different footwork.
Followers, we still walk forward. Walk, walk. We're going to go side, cross, and then forward, and triple triple around.
We do that one more
So
time.
we have walk, walk, side cross, back, forward, triple step.
When this hand gets on top, you automatically know that it's going to be a right side pass. So if we did it all together, we have our sugar push. Then we learned our left side pass, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Then we did our right side pass, 3 and 4, 5, and 6. Then we did our sugar tuck, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and a right side pass to fix the hand, 5 and 6, and a passing tuck, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and a right side pass, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now there's one more basic pattern you're going to want to learn. It's called the whip, plus the 5 patterns you need to learn next, so you can get that right here. And if you want to get our complete guide for beginners, we teach you everything from the basics all the way through the next 7 patterns to learn and all the tips and tricks. You can get a beginner course for $7 right here. See you on our dance floor soon.